Hey there, YouTube. Finally, I get to go pick up dog poop this time, so be prepared for your stomach to be unraveled. So, this is crazy working, man. Today, I just thought I might give you this video and stuff like that. So, technically, I just did my dishes. See, all of them are accounted for, so yay. No, so poop is coming. And also, I want you to check out my channel, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for whatever video I upload. I'll get you in the shade a little bit, because that way you got no glare. I'll be right back. Just grab my tools. Oh, and today's sponsor is Copper Fit compression stuff, like sleeves, back brace, Copper Fit gloves. And that would be it for the sponsor today. Like crap. Uh, I know most of you guys are eating or something like that. Look away or don't watch this video. Please don't watch this video. So it's gross and it smells worse than my inside of my shoes. And trust me, you don't want to smell that. Right now, I'm gonna take you over to the trash. Then see if I find any cigarette butts. Maybe this would be a cleanup video for a household as well. So yay. Oh. Just a little heads up, there's no cigarette butts. So yay. Then again, maybe this Sunday, so I clean up the cigarette butts. Right now, I'm just gonna chill. My work is done. My chores are done. Yep. Well, heck, I'm gonna go pick up the rake right now, so you're gonna follow me. So, yay. Yay. Good thing all the crap is picked up, so. This is a crazy working man's #1 weapon. A small poop rake. I should clean it, so I'll take you with me. Yay! And right now I'm just tired from actually my original work, so. And right now I'm thirsty. I'm kind of waiting for Uncle Dave to come home so I can ask him for some money so I can go out for drinks tomorrow. And there goes that. What the? Oh man, I totally forgot. One thing though. If you guys got older shoes, or if you girls got older shoes like sneakers and stuff, they're old as crap, use them for lawn mowing and accessories. Like, say you don't want to get your new shoes all dirty, and you want to get rid of them all, so all except for 2 pair. Yeah, just. I know I'm kind of hungry and thirsty, but I'm not hungry anymore since I had a late lunch, so I might have to eat an apple, something to tide me over until dinner. So right now, so far, I noticed you notice there's a big old trailer in the background. That's basically my cousin's. I'm watching it for her, taking good care of it. So, and same with her truck. So, but she's on kind of like a little vacation thing. So, I'm not saying where because that way it would be kind of rude of me to do. So, but heck, comment below this video, smash that like button, hit the notification bell section, and subscribe. Hit subscribe before you do anything else. Also, it helps out my channel a ton. So, this is Crazy Working Man, and I'm signing out for a while. So, maybe till next week or week after. So, like I promised you guys, dog poop video. So, yay. I think I scared my neighbor. I think that's my neighbor. Yeah, so, heck. And also do me a huge favor. Do tell your friends about me. And also do lawn mowing videos in the spring. You can tell it's not springtime yet, so technically not everything is growing. Like grass, trees, etc. Like, what I mean by etc. is the lilac bush. I hate them. They make me itch. I have to take this glove off, so. Well, like, deuces.